Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Let's Shine. So today I will teach you about simple present tenses. So we will know what are simple present tenses. Simple present tenses are the tenses which depict the things or the activities or the events which are done regularly on regular basis. For example, I brush my teeth. This is a verb or activity which is done on regular basis. So, we use first form of the verb in the simple present tenses, but in the third person singular form, he, she, or it or a noun is added by s. For example, I sing, you sing, he sings, etc. Which means when we follow simple present tenses or when we are talking about simple present tenses and in the third person we add s, but in the first or the second person we do not add anything. Now we will understand the negative sentence. To form a negative sentence in simple past tense, in simple present tense, we add do to the present form and add not, do not before the verb. For example, they do not sing. Or we can shorter do not by doesn't. By don't. Third person singular. So we have discussed in the previous slide about the first and the second person. Now in the negative sentences we will know about the third person singular. In the third person singular form, does not is added to the verb. For example, she does not sing, and we can shorter does not by doesn't. Now we will understand the interrogative sentences. In these sentences, do is used and in third person singular does is used. Whenever does is used, there is no s ending in the verb. In the first and the second person singular, we add do. Do you sing? But when we are using the third person singular, he, she, it, he, she, it, so we do not add do, we add does. And when we are adding does to any sentence, the verb ending is never with s. For example, does she sing? We will never say does she sings. This is a table of the singular affirmative and negative case, and then interrogative negative case. And the same with plural affirmative negative case and interrogative negative case. Please pause the video and study them and look at the difference. Spellings. In the third person singular form, in the simple present tenses, when the words end with double s, sh, ch, x, or o, it is added by es in the end. For example, do, does, box, boxes. The verbs which end with y and before y, there is a consonant. So y is replaced with ies. Example, I hurry, she hurries, which means the consonants are the alphabets which are except A, E, I, O, U in the whole alphabets. So the alphabets which are not A, E, I, O, U, the remaining one, when they are before y, so the y is replaced by ies. For example, I hurry, she hurries. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and the consonant. So R is exactly a consonant because it is not in A, E, I, O, U. So I hurry, she hurries. The verbs which end with Y and before Y there is a vowel, so it is followed by S. For example, I obey, he obeys. Thanks. Hope you all liked and understood what are simple present tenses. Thanks for watching. Also, like to my video, subscribe my channel.